Hi, this is Mithil Dave, your YouTube and video creation coach. And in this particular video, we are going to learn about how to make quote cards on your desktop. Well, there's just one thing that you need to remember before we jump into my laptop, and I'll share you the process of how to create a quote card. Remember one thing, the biggest mistake done by anyone who's on the social media who tries to upload a particular quote, the quote should be relevant to your niche, not should be generic. Because when you are uploading a quote card with the quote which is related to the niche, people relate to you more, and they try to understand that this is a person who has a dominance on that particular topic, and we should follow that person to learn more and earn more. All right, so yes, I would recommend everyone to use the quote which will be very specific to your niche. And the second tip is, instead of using any image on the particular quote, I would strongly recommend that you should have a picture of your own rather than anything else. So remember the two things. First, the quote should be relevant to your topic and niche, and the second, you should have the picture of your own and nothing else. All right, so let's dive into my laptop to learn more about how to create quote cards using laptop. So I'll be sharing my screen with you. So the quote card that I make or create is through a software or a website called as Canva. Most of the people know about it. It's very easy, very simple, and it has everything in it. So I will be signing in through my Gmail account. Canva basically is a software which gives you not just the opportunity to create quote cards, but everything from Facebook cover to Instagram post to YouTube channel cover, anything and everything is basically, this is like a one solution to all the creatives that you need to do or you want to do for your particular online business. All right, so okay, you can see over here a quote poster. If you can't, then you can simply go to the search and you can type quote poster, and it will give you options, plus a lot of different options will it be shown on the particular page. So let's go to a very simple one. All right, I think let's go for this one. Okay, so okay, this is a pro version. Remember, whenever there are watermarks, this is a paid version content and not a free version content. So you need to be, so whenever you will go with the free ones, you will be able to see there is a free option shown on this particular thing. Okay, so let's search something which is free. Okay, I can just even edit over here. I simply click the delete part. I go to the uploads. In the uploads, I will just search any of the pic which I want it to be. All right, so I have a folder where I have all the images which I have stored. So I can take any one of them. Okay, I'll take the one with my daughter. Once the picture gets uploaded into this particular folder, it is for you to use it for a long time. Okay, now you can see the picture is already over here. I just have to drag it, enlarge it. Since this particular photograph is coming ahead of the quote and everything, we'll go to the position part and we'll click on the backward. So when we click on the backward, you can see in this way it has gone behind. Now I have an Excel sheet where I have a series of quotes. Now if you see, these are all the quotes that I have which is related to my topic, that is niche. So we'll click over here. So let's drag it and make it a little bigger one. So goal to make an income while making an impact. Simple and sober. I want you also to practice and create uh, lots of quote cards. So what I do is in my content marketing strategy, what I have is I have two quote cards that are published on a daily basis on all the various platforms, be it be Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Again, in Facebook, I have on Facebook page and I have on Facebook group. So if you want to create an impact and want to hammer yourself and create an impression in the minds of the people who are following you, and if you want to create a dominant over your topic, I think quote cards play a very important role in that. So once this is particularly done, you can simply click on download. Well, there are various other options also when it comes to text. You can just simply change the text the way you want over here. Okay, so if you start with fresh, you can simply do that. If not, these are the various options into it. If you want to include any elements, you want to have some icons or shapes, if you want to include any frames into it, some stickers, but I will not recommend stickers, and keep as per me, I try to keep as simple as I want. You can also go to the background and you can change the background. Okay, so in this way the backgrounds will also change. You can see over here at the bottom the background keeps on changing. So now I'll go to the download option and click on PNG file and click download, and now this is preparing to download your design. So I'll just simply create a quote card 002 because I already created 001. So I'll just save over here. It has already been saved. So I hope you have understood the simple method of how to create a quote card using Canva as a software. So I'm giving you a challenge. Do this particular thing for 7 days, post it on your particular Facebook page or Facebook group, and also you can post it on this group itself. So all right, so let's take this challenge and go forward. Also, if you get stuck into particular thing and you need any of the help, you can simply comment in the comment section and I'll create another video for you. Happy to help you. This is Mithil Dave, your digital Maddie or Digi Maddie, signing off. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye.